Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial number 38 for HTML and CSS. And well, in this video we're going to continue talking about how to receive input from the user, and this time is the turn for the radio buttons. So before we get into how to insert and how to use them, just a side note, why are they called radio buttons? Well, they emulate or simulate how old radios worked. If you remember some of this, maybe you don't, but well, I actually remember some of these ones. Um, they have these buttons and you could only select one at a time. So if you press this one, it would stay selected, but if at any time you press another one, then this will pop up, so that you can only have one button pressed at any point of time, unless the thing is broken. But well, supposing that it is working okay, then you can only have one. So now getting into the radio buttons here, I'm just putting the field set, a new field set, just between these two that I had on the previous tutorial, because well, I want the text area to be right on the very bottom. So after my taco amigo has already identified himself or herself and then put the password, then I'm gonna give another field set where I am asking the user to select the type of tortilla that they want for their tacos. So this is, well, again, pretty simple, but just notice here that I only have one tag. I don't have a closing tag. You just put your input and that's pretty much it. So inside of that input, you're going to put the type of that input is going to be a radio. Then you can give it a name. The name is going to be tortilla. So if, well, this is very important. You got to give the same name to both, or well, as many radio buttons you have for your particular case. You have to name it the same. That is going to make them to belong to the same group, so that they or the page know that they are related. Then you can give it an ID. In this case, well, we have basically you have two different types of tortillas. You can have corn tortilla or flour tortilla. That's pretty much it. And well, you can give it, in this case, I'm giving it a value of C and a value of F for each one. And if you can see here, I put corn with the lower C and flour with the lower F, just to make a difference between this corn and flour, that I use the capital C and capital F, just to make noticeable that what the user is going to see is this right here, not the ID. So let's just see how this looks in Chrome. And well, that's it. We have the new field set, says select type of tortilla, and nothing is selected right now, so the user can click here and select a corn tortilla, or click here and select a flour tortilla. Now, if for any reason you would like to have, for example, the corn tortilla to appear selected by default, you can just use the check it attribute here. Let's save this, launch it again, and well, now it appears selected, and obviously the user can change the selection. And one last thing is that you can see, well, here they are placed horizontally, but what if you want to have it shown vertically? Well, it's pretty simple. You just have to add the break line at the end of the first one. Let's save this, run this, and well, now they are shown one on top of the other. And well, that's pretty much it about how to use or include radio buttons into our web page. And again, these are very, very useful when you want to limit your user to only select one option. So well, that's pretty much it. As always, thanks all of you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.